So let's continue. Now I will show you how to attach shoulder rest on the violin. If we will look at our shoulder rest, we have here a band or just curved place. This curved place will be on our shoulder down here. Yeah? It means when you will put your shoulder rest on when you will attach shoulder rest on the violin, you need to check this moment that curve place should be on the same side where is chin rest. Now I will show you again. Look, we have this foot. This foot goes on the rib, and another one we just slide it. Here there is a band. Now this band will be on my shoulder. Now I want to tell you about some important moments about shoulder rest. If you just got new shoulder rest, you need to pay attention for two moments. First thing, sometimes, as I said before, size of shoulder rest might be smaller than we need. For example, now I already fixed it. That's why I just did it very freely. I will show you now. For example, now I made special for us size of this shoulder rest less than we need. So look, and I will do the same thing as before. I will put curved or with bent side or where we have chin rest, and I will try to slide, but I can't do it because the size of the shoulder rest is smaller than I need. Look, it's the maximum what I can do, but we need to move our shoulder rest till here. If you have such problem and you can't put your shoulder rest on the violin, please change the size if you have such opportunity. Okay, now I will make full size again. Oh. So sorry. Okay. So, the next important moment, I will do it special for you to show you. The height of foot might be so short or so long. I have not so short neck. That's why I need wide, tall foot here. Look, and if I will have short foot, it will affect how I will hold violin. So let me show you. Just a moment. I can put it again. Oh. Okay, just give me a second, please. Yes, I did it. Look, when I put my violin, I still have a small gap between shoulder rest, even between shoulder rest and my shoulder. Can you see that? Yeah, and I have such opportunity to change the height of these foots. Now I will make some changings, and then you will see the difference again. So I change by the toning of these foots. Now I think you can see that these foots became much longer than before, as it was before. So let's check it again. Now it's very, very comfortable for me. And Maybe you will spend some time when you just get shoulder rest to find your comfortable position for shoulder rest. So in this lesson, I told you about shoulder rest, parts of shoulder rest, how to attach shoulder rest on the violin, and also about some important moments for shoulder rest. So, see you in the next lesson.